Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. If you're tired of throwing away money on cleaning products that don't actually work, you're not alone. It seems like every day there's a new miracle cleaner hitting the shelves, claiming to make your life easier. But how many of them actually live up to the hype? Spoiler alert, not many. Let's break down why so many cleaning products don't live up to their promises, and how you can save time, money, and effort by choosing smarter alternatives. First, let's talk about marketing. We're constantly bombarded with advertisements showing us sparkling clean homes, all thanks to a product that looks too good to be true. And guess what? It usually is. Companies spend millions on packaging and branding, and not necessarily on making a better product. That fancy bottle with the sleek design? You might just be paying for the brand image rather than cleaning power. Now, what's the real issue? In many cases, popular cleaning products are overloaded with unnecessary chemicals that don't necessarily improve cleaning performance. Instead, they often add strong scents or foaming agents to give you the illusion of cleanliness. Ever notice how some cleaners smell so strong it feels like your house is clean just because of the scent? That's intentional. But smell doesn't equal clean. In fact, some of these chemical-laden products can be harmful in the long run. Strong disinfectants or abrasive cleaners can damage surfaces like countertops, furniture, or floors if used too often or incorrectly. Worse, some of them leave behind residue that attracts more dirt, meaning you'll end up cleaning more frequently. So what can we do about it? One effective way to cut through the noise is to pay attention to what's in the product, not just what it promises. For example, a lot of cleaning products boast about having active ingredients, but in reality, these might only make up a tiny percentage of the formula. The rest is usually water or filler. When choosing a cleaning product, look for a short ingredient list with effective basics like vinegar, baking soda, or natural oils. Less is often more when it comes to effective cleaning. Speaking of basics, let's talk about the unsung heroes of the cleaning world, DIY cleaners. There are plenty of alternatives to the expensive store-bought stuff, and they work just as well, if not better. Common household items like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and even dish soap can tackle a lot of your cleaning needs for a fraction of the cost. For example, mix equal parts vinegar and water to clean windows and mirrors streak-free. Or use baking soda and a bit of water as a gentle scrub for tough stains on countertops and ovens. And don't forget about microfiber cloths. They might not look like much, but these tiny fibers are incredibly effective at picking up dirt, dust, and bacteria without needing harsh chemicals. You can use them on almost any surface, and they're reusable. So you're not just saving money, you're helping the environment too. A quality microfiber cloth and a little water can replace many of the single-use wipes and sprays cluttering your cabinets. Another tip, don't get caught up in specialty products. You've probably seen cleaners that are marketed for one specific task, like a cleaner just for stainless steel, or one just for glass stovetops. These niche products are usually unnecessary. A versatile, all-purpose cleaner or a mix of simple ingredients will do the job just as well across multiple surfaces. The more products you buy, the more money you're wasting on things you don't need. Now, what about those stubborn, tough-to-clean areas, like grout or deep stains in carpet? For this, many people run straight to the strongest chemical solution they can find. But here's the thing, harsh chemicals aren't always the most effective. A simple paste made of baking soda and water can do wonders on grout, while hydrogen peroxide can help lift stains from carpet without the overpowering fumes or risk of bleach stains. Let's talk about cost for a second. The average family spends hundreds of dollars a year on cleaning supplies, most of which end up under the sink or in a closet because they don't really work. Imagine if instead of constantly buying the latest trendy product, you invested in a few key reliable tools. A reusable mop with washable pads, high-quality microfiber cloths, a basic all-purpose cleaner, and some simple household ingredients can handle almost every cleaning job in your home. This setup will save you money year after year. And as a bonus, you'll reduce the clutter of half-used bottles taking up space. One more thing to consider. When it comes to cleaning, technique matters more than the product itself. Scrubbing too hard, using the wrong kind of cloth, or applying too much product can actually make your job harder. For example, when cleaning windows, too much cleaner can leave streaks, and scrubbing wood surfaces with a rough cloth can cause scratches. Knowing how to clean properly, whether it's wiping in circular motions, or letting a cleaner sit for a few minutes before wiping it off, makes all the difference. So what have we learned today? The key takeaway is that you don't need to spend a fortune to keep your home clean. A lot of what's on the shelves is overhyped, overpriced, and underwhelming. By sticking to the basics, investing in reusable tools, and learning a few tried-and-true cleaning techniques, you can save money and avoid the headache of dealing with ineffective products. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We have more money-saving, time-saving, and frustration-saving tips coming your way, so be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss out. Thank you for watching Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Say goodbye to those expensive, underperforming cleaning products, and hello to a cleaner, smarter, and more affordable routine. See you in the next video.